Good day, everyone. My name is Oluwabusayo Odukoya, and you can also call me the Global Teacher. So gradually, we are moving to the end of our series on rules of divisibility. And we want to believe you've learned one thing or the other. But don't forget, the goal is to make maths feel less scary to you. Today, we'll be talking about rules of divisibility for 10. Rules of divisibility for 10. So a number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. That implies that if a number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. Let's take for example. So let's see this number, 457,720. Let's see if this number is divisible by 10. Now, this number ends with 0, right? So that means that this number is going to be divisible by 10. Let's check. Divided by 10, which is the same thing as divided by 10 over 10. So 0 we cancel 0. So that equals 5772. That's 45,772. So we can see from here that 457,720 is divisible by 10 because it ends with 0. So let's take another example. So let's look at 374,883 and let's see if this number is divisible by 10. The first thing we are going to check is the last number. The last number here is 3, which is not, the last number here is 3. The last number here is 3, which is not 0. So that implies that 374,883 is not divisible by 10. So let's check. 10 in 37, 3, remainder 7. 10 in 74, 7, remainder 4. 10 in 48, 4, remainder 8. 10 in 88, 8, remainder 8. 10 in 83, 8, remainder 3 over 10. So we can see from here that 374,883 is not divisible by 10 because for any number to be divisible by 10, that number must end with 0. Unfortunately, our number here ends with 3, which is not the same thing as 0. So let's move to our exercise for the week. Which of the numbers is not divisible by 10? A, 7,349,905. B, 960,057. C, 22,887,430. So which of these numbers is not divisible by 10? Next class, we'll be talking about how to apply these rules that we have learned to certain topics in mathematics. So stay tuned. That will be the end of our class for today. Have a lovely week. Bye.